I'm Paul, and I'm excited to be here. Today is your first lessons or your first class for our Flutter Voyage Bootcamp, and I'm sure you are excited to be here. So let's begin. Um, you can see our table of content here, which we are going to go through, and and at the end of this course, we should be able to build a student app that can help us take attendance of students, calculate student scores, and do some other certain features we might introduce. But before then, we need to know what that is and what Flutter is as well. Uh, that is a programming language, and if you don't know what programming is, programming is basically telling your computer what to do. And throughout this lesson or throughout this course, we'll be telling our computer to paint things on the screen and also do some calculations and give us answers to our questions. So most of it, and we'll be writing some piece of instruction, and then it is going to execute and give us output. So that's basically what programming is. Um, but that, in the other hand, is a programming language, and it is what Flutter is built on top of. Flutter, in the other hand, is a framework, and you can also call it a UI toolkit or an SDK that helps you build beautiful quality apps on different platforms. We have about 5 or 6 platforms Flutter can comfortably run on. So that running Flutter on different platforms is not a problem. So um, going to what we'll be doing in this course, I already told you we'll be building a student app, but before then, we need to know everything about that. We need to know not like everything, we need to know some basic things about that. And believe me, I'm going to send you some resources. I'm going to send you a PDF called Data Apprentice, and I um, beg you to read that source I'm going to be sending you so you understand everything I'll be saying, and also use it as your own reference. So look at that basic, we look at expressions, we look at variables, we look at data types, we look at operators and operations, different kinds of operations. We are going to look at control flows, functions and classes, also collections. So this that basic is very very important for you to voyage, or for you to sail along with us, because after I might have done with this course, someone else is going to come up um, with their own course. A different mentor is going to come up with their own course, and all of these basic things, they'll be like, oh, you know about them, so they are not going to like go deeply into it. So I would beg you, if you don't understand any of this that basic I'm going to be sharing, please, please, and please, and please, try and ask questions, and I'll be there to answer. And the next, we are going to try to create our first Flutter app, and the name of the app is going to be a student app. So, and we are going to use some basic Flutter widget to create this app, and also we are going to know the difference between a stateless, and a stateful widget. And before all of this, and I'm sure you have installed Flutter on your computer, and because this course is not going to tell you how to do that. I'm just sure when we send those sources, you're able to um, do them. But if you've not done that, but you want to jump into and start getting your hands dirty, you can use the dart pad. The dart pad is here, and you can use it to write whatever dart code you have, and then see the result on the right hand side console right here. Like for example, we are printing hello world, and you can see that it's giving the output right here. And there are some other things like documentation. If you tap on this, it will tell you what it does and different things. So the dart pad is also a good place for you to use on this course if you have not set up Flutter on your computer. So I'm very happy to be here with you. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. You can reach out to my Twitter handle. Twitter, my name is Paul Idemekong. And if this opens, doesn't want to open, but my name is on Twitter is at Idemekong, at underscore Idemekong. So you can just see that and follow me there. Ask me questions. You can. Here it's the handle. So here's the handle. You can ask me questions, as many questions as you want to ask me. I'm going to try to answer them. So thank you, and let's begin.